All right, check this out. I got my spot all picked out right here with my hammock over here, my fishing stool right here, and I just got these new fishing tools right here. So I want to show you guys these new fishing tools. If I turn this camera around, look at this fishing spot. Oh my goodness. Boom, look at that. That is a beautiful little fishing spot. Perfect to test out these fishing tools. Okay, first and foremost, you're gonna get a lot of these fishing tools, and maybe some you already have, maybe some you don't, but this would be a great beginner set. So if you know somebody that's just starting out fishing right here, this is gonna give them almost every single tool that they need. Now, it's not gonna help them catch any more fish. It's just gonna help them with when you get a fish, what are you gonna do next, right? That's always the case with my daughter. She's like, Dad, what do I do now that I got a fish? Well, let's go ahead and open this up. All right, you're gonna get a fishing ruler right out of the gate so that you can say, hey, I caught a fish this big. And they're like, yeah, how big was it? Well, it can't be any bigger than 35 inches. So if you catch a fish that's bigger than 35 inches, then we know you're lying. I'd love to catch a fish 35 inches. That's not gonna happen out of here. Not where I'm at today. So let's see, next up in the mystery bag of fishing is, oh, a knife sharpener. You gotta always have a knife sharpener. Nothing worse than when you're cleaning the fish out and you don't have a knife sharpener in your tackle box. It's just gonna do a quick and dirty job so that when you do clean your fish, you're gonna get a clean cut every single time. Love that. All right, what's next in this grab bag of goodies? All right, we have something that I absolutely love. I put this on my vest whenever I'm fly fishing. I don't have one of these for my life jacket. What I like to do is I like to hook a fingernail clippers on here. So I'll probably put some fingernail clippers on there. I love that when I'm switching hooks really fast or I'm switching bait. I just clip, and I'll probably use that right there off of my life jacket because I said I don't have one when I'm on the boat. So that's perfect right there. Love that. All right, next up, you got this pliers, right? This is gonna be like, where did I put those? Well, you can't say that anymore. When you have an attachment that you're gonna attach right to your vest. Again, I have a life jacket that I'm gonna be using this on, so I'll probably have that for my pliers. Now, your pliers are awesome. All right, next up are these scissors. Scissors are a must-have when you're fishing in any arsenal, and you're just gonna be able to clip those lines. Personally, I use the fingernail clippers because that works really good. And these feel really good out of the hand. They're nice and rubbery, so they got really good grip on there. I'm thinking like if you have those big gloves, you're gonna be able to use them as well to cut your line and to cinch that up. So next, out of the grab bag, oh, we got a big one. We got a big, oh, it's the knife. All right, just like with any knife, you want to make sure that it feels good in the hand. Oh, look at that. That's kind of cool. So they give you a slit right here. If you want to use that to cut something without taking the guard off, you can. So that's kind of cool. And this guard, let's see how easy it is. Oh yeah, it's super easy to take that off. It's really, really sharp. Right out of the gate, it feels really good in the hand. I'm not gonna be afraid to use this at all. You do have a loop here if you want to tie it, a wrist guard on there or whatever. But yeah, that's gonna get the job done, and it's gonna do a really good job at that, I'm sure. All right, next up in the grab bag. Oh, guys, I've never actually used one of these before. This is awesome though. My goal in life is to actually catch a fish that I'm gonna need to use this for. Okay, so that's kind of cool. The tension right here, boom, it locks it in. So the grip, lock it in. That's pretty cool. Again, never used one. I don't know much to say about it, but I love it. Oh, this is probably the most used fishing tool. If you don't have one, you're gonna need one, and I love it. It feels really, really solid in the hand. The weight, you know that it's coated, so it's gonna be rust proof right there. And if you're fishing with a sinker, you have your sinker clamp, you have your line cutter right here, or your weight clamps, you have some teeth right here, and then you have the hook grabber. So you can grab that hook out of the fish's mouth, pull it out, and I love it. So this goes onto here so that you can have the peace of mind of being like, where did this go? This is really, really, really solid quality material. Right out of the gate, I'm gonna tell you guys, this is so much better than any other fish plier that I've ever used, and I don't cheap out on them, but this feels really, really good. All right, is that it? Is that everything? I think that is everything. All right, so that's everything that you have inside of this bag right here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 7 items in the fishing bag. Like I said, you may have some of these, maybe not all of them. I certainly didn't have one of these because I've never used one in my life, because when I'm fishing, I'm usually trout fishing. And I love these. This definitely are going in my bag. This full time. I mean, I can't say enough. Really awesome knife. The coolest thing about this knife is not going to rust on you. I stick this in the water all the time. In fact, let me show you. This is my knife probably from high school, and I haven't ever used anything else, but it is getting old, it's getting dirty, and it is starting to rust on me. So I'm glad I upgraded my knife for sure. It's not going to get rusty on me. Let me give it to you straight. I really love the pliers. I mean, that's probably the best thing out of here, and the knife. Everything else is just okay. Like the measuring tape, the scissors, I may or may not use them, but if somebody's getting into fishing, it's what you do after you catch the fish that sometimes can make fishing really enjoyable or really messy, and maybe you don't want to go again, especially if you catch and release like I do. And having the right tools to get that hook out, get the fish back in the water, can make all the difference in the world, not only to the fish that you're catching, but also to your enjoyment level and to fishing. So if you're a fisherman, you're just getting started, you don't have all the gear, but you need some of it, this gear right here will last a long time. It's professionally made, high quality, and it couldn't go wrong as either for you or for a gift for somebody else.